Hello everybody, Mr. Oaken like Mr. Oaken here, and today it is what's inside a brain and 1,000 glowing chain. So we're gonna lay this over it. So love it. It's starting to glow. Can you lay it on top of it? Oh.
Last little bit of metal work, fit finish. We got your lighted phenomenal.
It's going in.
What do you think?
Oh, that's it.
Just like we had talked from the original things, saying, what are we going to do with this car? And here it is. It's really taking shape.
I can't tell what it smells like. Oh, it's starting to smell.
Very excited to get into this car. I love the roar of the exhaust.
What?
The feel of cruising. Next time on Kitchen Rides.
And the finishing touch. Ding, 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 ding.
That's what I call dynamic.
Okay. Let's get that brain out of me. Yeah. And guys, this is the finishing touches. And yeah, it has this film. Whoa, this feels like slime. So yeah, let's see if it's hot. It's hot. Okay, it's warm. So let's open it. Okay, so whoa, it's really owie. It's really hot in here. Guys, look at this. This is like slime slash pee. Let's get all of it out. Look at all that. It has burn marks on it where the chain went on it. Oh, this is sick. Cool. And yeah, look at what it did. Oh, so this is looks like foam. This is what it did to it. Burned it right open. So look at that. That's the stuff that was out. Some burn marks on it that burned right through it. So yeah, guys, if you like more of these videos, oh, it's all it's sticking to it. Oh, some burn marks. Let's add that to that. Oh, guys, this feels super good. So yeah, oh, I can't even get this off. Okay, so yeah, that was my dad. He's pretty cool. What guys? I'm gonna go ask him if we can light it on fire. So yeah, let's go ask him. Ding, ding, ding. Can we light this on fire? Okay, that's the answer, guys. I can't because I'll probably light our house on fire, or it will just smell really bad. So, yeah, guys, this is a brain, just so you know. It's like a stress ball kind of brain. It's really cool. So it has that. So yeah, guys, that's it. And thank you for watching this video. If we get this video to 7 likes, this feels really good. If we get this video to 7 likes, I will do more videos like this. And if we get this to, 120,000 likes, I'll do way more videos. Like, that will be my YouTube channel. So this is what it did to it. We're to open. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And as always, peace out.